Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how to play the chord shapes that you would find usually in this particular tuning, which is DAEAAE. Alright, so this is a popular tuning that you find in music from Owl City. Recently I made a video where I had done a small performance. Someone is asking me how exactly you play the chords. Adam Young plays a live version of Fireflies, and he uses the chords from, there's 3 songs that he usually kind of mix and matches. Fireflies, and he uses the chords from Take to the Sky and Sunburn. So the way he would usually play it is by, he started with the intro with Sunburn, so then you'd kick in into Fireflies, but he's not using the regular chords that you'd find on standard tuning. So I wanted to show you guys the chords that you'd see. So that's basically the intro of it. So let me run through it and you'll kind of follow along as I go. So the first chord that you'll be playing is on the first string, 2nd fret. You're barring the first two strings, and then on the 3rd fret, well, not the 3rd fret. This would be the 4th fret. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4th fret, 3rd string. And the nice thing about this tuning is that you can just let the rest of the strings ring out, which is why most people would play it in the first place, because it makes such pretty chords. So that's it. The next one, you're just using one finger. Oh no, this one, it looks like I'm playing everything open, but what I'm doing with my thumb is I'm muting the string, so you're not hearing it. But I'm playing everything else. So, and then there's one string that I'm playing here in this position, and that is the 2nd fret, 3rd string. So that's how the chords usually go. Would not leave your eyes, 10 million fireflies. And then fretting these two. Alright, a simple walk down. Alright, that is what is that? 4th string, 1st string, 4th fret, down to the 2nd fret. Or alternatively, you can just decide to play the chords. This one. So like the first chord, we had this. You're just moving up 2 frets up and bringing this finger back down. Right, and once you get to that point, it's basically the chorus, and that's it. I already showed you all of the chords that you need in the chorus, and let's just go through it, right? fun. And this is one of my favorite tunings because you can just be really free in these positions, and it's really hard to go back to standard after playing in this tuning. So have fun with it, experiment. Alright, so it's a really cool way to play. I hope you guys have a lot of fun with this tuning. Hope you guys learn some of the chord shapes. It's basically really simple and you shouldn't have a problem with it. So, alright, take care.